So today we're going to see the Thracian tomb at Pomorie. Siobhan has her butterfly net.
That's a really big butterfly.
So basically we're ready. You can go there on the bus, but it's a little bit difficult to get back on the bus afterward. The Wave Hotel. It looks very fancy, but we'll never know if it's nice because we can't go anywhere besides Riagor.
It's true.
Percy!
A lot of butterflies here, Siobhan. Have you noticed?
It's funny because I read in one of the reviews that this is all fake, like the whole thing is a reconstruction. But I'm just like, that can't be true because look at all this stuff on the walls up here. Like, that's definitely original.
Center column has these old steps that are worn away, and they go around and around all the way to the top entrance. You can kind of see the outline of them. So cool.
Lots of people leave little offerings here. Subscribe. You will like this video. Please.
Thracian cult building heroon from the Roman period, 2nd to 4th century CE.
Kind of want to stay all day because
It's so cool.
it's so cool in here. I mean, physically cool, in addition to figuratively cool.
Yes. Cool and cool.
Yes.
Double cool.
The only feedback I have is like, maybe it's the ADHD in me, but they have a lot of signs in here for just general information about other sites in Bulgaria that are related to Thracians and Romans and stuff, and I just found it a little bit confusing.
It's true because you're not sure which of the information pertains to this cult building and
Yeah.
which pertains to like just general Thracian.
Yeah, because I think there's
Romans and
only
stuff.
2 of the signs in here are actually for the tomb, I think.
Yeah.
This is the one sign that talks about this tomb specifically, and it says it's the only one of its kind, and it's dated back to the 3rd century AD. How much was it? I can't remember.
5 lev each.
The 10 lev.
And she was free.
So approximately €5 for entry.
I'm gonna go check out the top. See if I can see the top of that center column. There it is. They got a tarp covering it. Makes sense. So cool. And the view, you can see the sea over there.
How was the tomb?
Oh, it was very cool. As always. I mean, it was cool looking and it was cool inside.
Yes. As I said, this is our 3rd time here, but it's my favorite of all the tombs and ancient sites, I think, in Bulgaria. Because it's such a pleasant visit, too, you know?
And
It's
what I
like,
like about it is that it's mostly just cool because it's sweating right now.
yeah, that's what I was going to say. It's natural air conditioning, so that makes the visit extra pleasant.
Yeah, and there's always like nobody there.
True.
So you're just there by yourself in this really cool old cult building. You almost have to know where it is because it's very inconspicuous. The road you can't really see as you're driving by.
Yeah, it's a really tiny little road. And to take the bus is annoying because then you have to race onto the street and like wave and hope one of them stops for you.
Because there's not a stop.
Not that we have experience with that. I think that's it for us today. Now we're going back to Riagor so that we can have dinner. Bye, guys.
Bye.